So what's going on, guys? I noticed something. I was going to change the exhaust on the Road Glide, but then I noticed that there's hardly any reviews, if any, on the RCXhaust Thunder pipes, and then there's no reviews that I know of for the Rage Eclipse exhaust on mine. I believe it's the Rage Eclipse. I have to check the box. Keep that in mind. However, I'm going to do one video here of the Thunder. It's warm because I wrote it up here, but we'll be able to get a cold start on the Rage exhaust as well, and then have that for you guys. We'll do two separate videos so they're not too terribly long. What we'll try to do is start up, pull off, pull them back in, things like that. Sound, obviously with the way that my recording's set up, a external speaker, headphones, anything like that are going to be your best bet to get the exact sound. Through a computer, stock speaker, it's not going to provide you with the information or the sound that you really are looking for and want to check out. So you can kind of see how they are. Both sets of exhausts still have the baffles in them. It's a 2015 Road Glide. It's got a Screaming Eagle heavy breather on it. It has drag specialties, iridium spark plugs. It's got the slip-ons on it, obviously, and then it's got a tune in it from Dynojet. So that kind of gives you an idea of how the bike's tuned, what it's got, everything like that, and gives you the sound of how it's running. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, probably see these updates before this video. Just follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked below. And also follow the business page on Facebook. Business page now has a YouTube. We're going to start loading some bikes on there of kind of like the after shots of everything and everything that we did. So you guys can go check those out as soon as that gets rolling. We'll make sure that YouTube link is tied down into the descriptions as well. So please, if you guys could throw a subscribe, we'd greatly appreciate it, and the support for the business. So also we have new merch coming. Gotta stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a good one. So yeah, Black Bike's covered up. We got some updates on that one. It's gonna be another video. You guys are really gonna like that. And we're changing all kinds of stuff up. It is tore apart right now. So if you guys saw Adam's comment, he's a buddy of mine, lives local. He was saying while it's put together right now, he's kind of right. So let's get to the video, which you guys all came here to view, and we'll go from there. All right.